This Jack Gaughen Network Services Hauer and Associates property video is presented by Jeanette Sainer. So, you want to be an investor? Here's a perfect location in Central Juniata County to put sweat equity to work for you. With restored wood floors and some more replacement windows and paint, you can have a nice 3-unit to give you income. 2 oil hot water radiator furnaces serve 3 units. Next buyer should switch heat source for upstairs 1-bedroom unit, so tenants each pay their own heat cost. Offers: public water and public sewer / landlord pays, now. 2-car detached garage. Think outside the box. Live in 1 unit, let the other 2 units pay your mortgage. Add your splash of personality to restore the hidden luster of this 1800s Spacious Fixer-Upper 3 multi-family unit. For more information,